History is usually told through kings, generals, and battles, but sometimes history tells a quieter story, a stranger one. This is the story of Wojtek, a bear who walked through war and became part of it. In 1942, Polish soldiers crossed Iran, far from home, tired from war and exile. And there, in the heat and dust, they found a small orphaned bear cub. They named him Wojtek. It means happy warrior. Wojtek didn't grow up in a cage. He grew up among soldiers. He slept in tents, played with the men, learned their routines, their laughter, their fear. He wasn't a mascot. He was comfort. As time passed, Wojtek grew. And wherever the army marched, he marched with them, not behind, not ahead, but together. In Italy, the war reached Monte Cassino, one of the hardest battles of World War II. Smoke filled the air. Stone collapsed. Fear was everywhere. And Wojtek watched. Then he helped. He lifted heavy ammunition crates and carried them again and again. Here was a problem. Animals were not allowed to travel with the army, so the soldiers did the unthinkable. They enlisted the bear. Wojtek became the symbol of the unit, a bear carrying an artillery shell, not because it was funny, but because it was true. He carried more than weapons. He carried morale. When the war ended, Wojtek's life became quiet. Zoo in Scotland, green grass, rain. When old soldiers visited, he remembered them. Wojtek was not a hero because he was a bear. He was a hero because he stayed gentle in a violent world. Wojtek was not just a bear, and history made room for him